Hey, okay, I finally got my remote control car from WLToys. Let's see what kind of condition it's in. I've been waiting a while for it. With everything being shut down, the mail is running a little slow. And this is my cat, so we don't need him. Here we go. Well, got a picture of a truck on here that I didn't order, but that's okay because on the back it has the car I ordered, which is the K989. Let's see what's in the box. In the box, we have the car, stupid power adapter, got some tags, here's the radio, nice looking radio. It is very plasticky. This great big huge box for a little tiny cable. And we also have our instruction booklet with some replacement gears. And we have the car. Oh, and more zip ties. Here's the car. It's got pins to hold the body on. Metal chassis. Take the body off and see what it looks like. Got the battery in it. It's got the treaded tires, they're not slicks. Read warning before use. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna have to get some batteries and give this little puppy a try. So, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, something I'd like to point out with the WLToys K989 race car is when I got it out of the package, I got this power cord, plugs into a USB, then into the battery to charge it. I love that fact, I don't have to buy batteries for it. But it came with this adapter. This adapter is mine. It did not come with one of these. It just came with the cable and this adapter. This is a European to US adapter. I don't know what it's for or why I got it. I have no use for it. I just wanted to point that out. It's kind of strange it was in the box. And So yeah, out of the box, this is what you get. You get little pin clips to hold the body on. A lot of people recommend putting something like a twist tie or a zip tie onto them so it's easier to take the body on and off. And so far I've had quite a bit of problems, so that's something I'm going to do. So until then, let's play. Okay, so here's my car with the body off after doing a bit of testing. I found that cat hair gets wound up in the tires real easy. That's why the body's off. I had to take the tires off and get all the cat hair out, thanks to this cat. But it's not too bad. The only quirks I had with it is on the controller here, when you push forward for the reverse, there's a delay, sometimes it doesn't work. But other than that, it's a great little car, a little hard to control in the house. Played with it outside a little bit. On the road it runs pretty good, but it hits the rocks and bounces all over, being so small. But other than that, this is my first time with a car this small, so it's going to take some practice to get used to this. I'd like to get a better controller, pistol grip, whatever you call them. Supposedly if you get a better controller, you get better response out of the car. But my animals, they love it. The dog chases it around, tries to eat it. The cat tries to kill it, thinks it's a mouse. But other than that, I'll keep you informed on how it goes with this little car, see if it's any good, how well it's made, if things break. For now, I'm quite satisfied. So, until next time, I'll see you later.